welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a get ready for a date night with me. Now I'm filming this intro on a different day because I didn't film one when I was getting ready for my date, but Nick and I were going to go to the melting pot, so I wanted to just get ready with you like we were two friends sitting in a room getting ready together. However, I wanted to put a little spin on it. Well, it's not a true spin. These have been done before, but I wanted to kick it old school and do a voiceover and just do my makeup. Those are so fun and so nostalgic for me to watch, so I wanted to do one with you all. So let's jump right into the video.
Hello besties, I am starting off this makeup look not with a primer but with this little serum that I got from Merit. I've tested it out a few times and I think it's really nice. It's honestly super soothing, so I'm gonna keep using it. I need to layer it with more things, but so far it's been great. And then I had to go in with my favorite primer to use when I'm going on a date night and just ignore that chunk of primer that is on my nose. But this primer is so nice. It's so refreshing and it honestly just melts into your skin, and it goes with every foundation I've tried so far. Right now I'm going in with my Prism Libre foundation from Givenchy, and this one's super glowy and it's pretty light coverage. It's not really full coverage at all. I mean, it's a little bit too light for me, as you can see in the video, but we'll bronze it up later, no worries. But I hope you all are having the best holiday season ever. I hope you got what you wanted, what you asked for, and you just spent some quality time with your family and did some fun Christmassy things or holiday things, whatever you celebrate. So I know right now I'm getting ready to go to a holiday party, but I just wanted to pop on and have this video just so you'd have something to watch and hang out with me with. So I'm going in with my Kosas concealer, and I like to pair the Givenchy foundation with the Kosas concealer because they're both creamy and kind of glowy, if that makes sense. And always put your hair up when doing makeup. It makes it so much easier. I've been using this Milani sponge all the time lately, and it's honestly really good. It's not as good as a beauty blender, but it's probably my favorite drugstore sponge that I've used so far. Honestly, if I'm ranking my sponges, the first one I love is the Beauty Blender. The second one is the Fenty. I just use that one more because it's a little bit cheaper. And then the Milani one. They all are nice and soft and blend things out really well, because there's some sponges that just like don't blend things out well. To be honest, I only use the Kosas concealer because it goes pretty well with the Givenchy foundation, but I've been liking the Giorgio Armani concealer so much more. It's so much better. But I wanted to set my under eyes, so I went in with the ambient lighting powder palette thing that Hourglass makes, and it's just really good at setting all over the lid for concealer. It's just super soft diffusing powders, and I went in with the other shades as kind of like a base for my eyeshadow. If I'm going on a date night, I either go all out or I just do super simple makeup. So I wanted to try out the Gwen Stefani eye sparklers. Now I really like them. They're really shiny, but I still like my Stila product. Oh yeah, I'm going in with my Stila product. I like this one the most. Like, it adds so much glitter and shine that I just haven't found in literally any other product yet. It's so nice. It's one of my faves. And I'm going to be doing a favorites video, a holy grails video, and then a luxury dupes video very soon. I have them all on my content calendar to do, so I'm only saying that because Stila is in 2 of those. And then I'm going in with the Hourglass setting powder. This is like my go-to powder if I'm not sure what I should be setting with, because it doesn't cake up on me. And ignore my nails throughout this. I meant to get them done and I just haven't. It hasn't been my priority. I think I'm just gonna get them done for New Year's. It sounds good to me. But I wanted to blend that out, and sadly I had to get rid of that brush because it was started like shedding all the hairs. And stay hydrated, friends, super important. But my brush started shedding hairs, so I asked for some new brushes for Christmas. But the bronzer looks so nice. I'm so in love with it. And oh my gosh, these Hourglass palettes they're one of my favorite things ever. I want to get a single of that powder. What is it called? I don't even know the name. It's the lighting powder, ambient lighting powder, and the ethereal light, I think it's called, and use that to like highlight my eyes. But oh my gosh, this tutorial is going by so fast. I threw on my RMS Beauty blush. I'm throwing on some Physicians Formula winged eyeliner because you have to look fierce for date night. I used to wear cat eyes all the time. This was like my high school look, was a shiny inner corner and a cat eye. I mean, if you knew me in like my 9th grade year, I wore some pretty crazy things. I had like a huge emo phase and I wore like pink eyeshadow. I know, can you believe it? I also had a lip piercing. That hole you see on my lip, I had a lip piercing then. I'm glad those days are over and our style has evolved. So happy it was just a phase. But I'm going with my Kosas Air, I think it's called like the Air Brow Gel. I should probably have pulled up everything I used on my face, but we're just winging it. And this is another mascara that I've been loving. I'm going to talk about it more in my favorites video, but just know it's a MAC mascara and it gives me nice, thick, beautiful, luscious lashes. And I'm just obsessed with it. It's so nice. I think it's called the Mega Stack or something. I'm going to link all the products down below because I never know what anything is called. They all have such complicated names. But I think I cut it out, but I 100% got mascara all over my eyelid and then I had to clean it up. And I just needed to diffuse a little bit of color on my lower lash line just to balance out the eye look. So I just put the same bronzer on my lash line, went in with a little inner corner highlight, and I have been loving this highlighter from MAC. I'm pretty sure it's Double Gleam, but again, can't trust what I'm saying, just look in the description box so you truly know what I'm wearing. And this has been my favorite lip liner lately, the Sephora lip liner. I mean, I know I used them a lot in the past, but it's just been a favorite again. And then I had to go in with the Merit Beauty lipstick. Something tells me I end up changing it because this looked too dark on me. We'll see what happens. And then, of course, I had to set with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. She's iconic. She's amazing. I actually have a dupe for it. But yeah, but now we need to get this hair all beautiful. That's where I keep all my hair tools, by the way. I don't know why I left this clip in, but there you go. There's me rummaging through my drawers. And my hair is something else right now. I'm in between stages where I have no idea what I want to do with it. I haven't fully committed to going blonde. I haven't fully committed to having my natural dark brown hair, and so I'm like somewhere in between. And this product I think was discontinued. I'm so upset about it. Everything I love in life gets discontinued. So if I love a product, just find something else to love because it's going to get discontinued if I love it. I'm kind of afraid to put out this Holy Grails video. But this T3 straightener is so good. I love it. It doesn't singe my hair at all, and I have fine hair that's like super prone to drying, even though I still bleach it anyway because apparently I don't know. My hair is going to be frizzy no matter what, so I'm just like, whatever. I'm still going to lighten it. It'll still be fine. I've been wearing my hair straight all the time lately. Like I went through a big curling phase, but now I'm like, I can't be bothered to do the second step, which is curling. So yeah, super straight hairstyle, and my hair's probably gonna frizz up in like 10 minutes, but it's fine. And then I need to go in with some shine oil. This is literally my favorite shine oil. I love it. This was a little mini that I used, and if you watched my Liss beauty video, you will have seen the tragedy that happened with this hair oil. I filmed this right before the Liss beauty video, and then I spilled the oil all over my table and didn't realize it. Rubbed the oil all over my face. Yes, it did make me break out under my chin. It's so bad. I can't believe that happened. But we're gonna go from this to this, a princess. Oh my gosh, I love that dress. It's so pretty. I've worn it so much. I haven't showed you guys, but I've been wearing that dress like constantly. I love it. I got it one size too big on accident, but it's so gorgeous and flowy. And now we have to pick out a perfume, and I was feeling fun and flirty at almost 30, so I went with my Delina exclusive perfume, I think it's called. It's so nice. I love how feminine and rosy and sweet it smells. It's a really good one. Definitely try it out. But we are wrapping up the video. I had a great time hanging out with you all and doing my makeup. Nick and I had such a good romantic nice night at the melting pot and had so much good fondue.
All right, besties, we have reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you. I hope you all have been enjoying Vlogmas. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you click the little notification bell, you will be notified every time I upload a video for this Vlogmas and beyond. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.